Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to navigate and use Anytype, a local-first, privacy-focused note-taking app with a sleek, modern interface. So let's get right to it. First of all, you need to install the app on your computer here. I did download and install the Anytype app here on my laptop. And as you can see on the left here, you have your different spaces. So I have one personal space here, which is called John. And this is an untitled space that I did create and try on. And when you create a new space, it'll be blank. And here's where you can add all your pages. You can add notes. You can add to-do lists. You can add whatever you want. Think of Anytype as a Notion alternative that is stored locally, that stores data locally on your computer. So you will find the interface pretty similar here. Now you can create a new space here with ready-made experience, or you can import your custom data. As you can see here, the space is blank. I can add stuff right here. So if I click on the plus icon, I can add a new page. So let's name it test page. And here I can add the data that I want, the text, or type in the slash in order to add different types of items such as text, title, handling, and so on. You'll find it similar to Notion. So if you've used Notion before, you'll be familiar with this action. And you can create checklists, bullet points, attach a file, image, video, audio, and even add embeds. So embed mermaid, embed chart, embed a YouTube video, and so on. And other inline like dividers, dot divider, inline collection, inline set, and others. So you can add whatever you want here. Let's add a title. Let's say, for example, my today tasks, and let's tap under it to add a new line. Tap on the slash icon and let's add a checkbox. So for example, record this video, hit enter to add another to-do list item, edit the video, and then upload the video. Okay, now let's add another title. Let's add what should I do? Okay, and this is not a title. Let's turn it into a title here. Tap on the three dots next to it, and then text style. Let's say here a title. Okay, hit enter, slash once again to add checkbox. So say like the video. So this is a to-do list for you as a viewer. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon, of course, to get all the videos from our channel. So let's add, for example, a file here. So tap on the slash icon. Let's scroll down a bit. You can attach a file here from your computer, paste the link, or upload a file. So you get the idea. Okay, and you can expand this page if you want it in full screen. Now, once I click out, and as you can see here, I'm out. Now, the page isn't anywhere to be found. That's because I need to click on all objects here to access the test page. And here is the test page. I can here check the tasks that I have and go ahead. Now I have my personal space. Now for this universal space, here you can add, like, think of it as a template gallery. Now you can add different kinds of spaces here or pages. So a daily journal, an important data vault for your important documents, the family space, habit tracker, homepage, language flashcards, legacy homepage, and other types of pages. So for example, let's add a paid subscriptions tracker here. Okay, let's install it. And you can add it here to the untitled space that I just created. And now going to the untitled space, and here the paid subscriptions tracker and the subscriptions tracking. As you can see here, 2 pages added. Now let's see the subscriptions, the paid subscriptions tracker. They had here some services for me. So Apple Music, my subscriptions, self-storage, subscriptions tracker, and so on. So I can add new object. For example, if I'm subscribed to Netflix, to other like platforms, and here the subscription tracking. I can see here the self-storage for like 102 euros. The Apple Music is for 10.99 monthly. Now I can add another item here, service name. Let's add, for example, Netflix, subscription status. Okay, it's active. So they have a template ready-made for me. The period is monthly, activation date, let's say today. Now, as you can see here, it's pretty great. You can manage all your notes and your stuff with it. And you can go ahead and add another workspace from here or another space from here, rename it, create from scratch, or import your data from other services like Notion, Markdown, or from an HTML file or text file or a CSV or any block. So once you go ahead and do all of this, the settings will be stored locally on your computer. So that's how easy it is to manage all your notes and tasks with Anytype locally on your computer.